Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn about array.map method in JavaScript. So map method is basically used to transform or modify each element in the array. So for example, here I have a numbers array and I want to add 10 to each element in the array. So what this map method will do is, so it will create a new array. So it will not affect the original array. It will create a new array. So let's consider that as numbers 2, and it will add 10 to each element. So 10 plus 1 is 11, 10 plus 2 is 12. So it will perform function for each element and it will store in this new array and it will return. Okay, so the original array will always remain unaffected. Let's put this into action with a simple example. So our job is to get the square root of each number in this numbers array. So the logic to get the square root is you have to multiply each number with the same. So for example, like 1 into 1, 2 into 2, so like that, right? So let's manipulate this array using map method. So I'll take a variable called square numbers array. I'll use map method, so which will have a callback function num, and it will return square root of each number. So that is number multiplied by the same number, right? So here what this map method basically will do is, so let's console this number so we'll have a proper idea. So let's also console this new array, that is square numbers. So console dot log square numbers. So here you can see it will totally have 6 iterations since the total number of elements is 6. So for example, in the first iteration it will receive the first element, that is 1. It will perform multiplication, so that is 1 into 1, or square root of 1 is 1, right? So then it will store the result in this new square number array, and in the next iteration it will receive the second element, that is 2. So it will perform 2 into 2, or square root of 2 is 4, and then it will again store the result in square numbers array. So it will keep on doing this until the last iteration, so that is 6, and then it will come out of the loop. And here you can see the new modified square numbers array. Let's also console the original array, so that is numbers array. So here you can see the original array remain unaffected, so it's the same. So what map method here did is, so it transformed or modified each element in the original array. So for example, you can compare both. So square root of 3 is 9, square root of 4 is 16. So it's modified the original array and then stored all those values in this new square numbers array and then return that array. So hope you had a clear understanding of this array.map method. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel.